Welcome to our guide on Bitcoin mining software. I selected Windows, also Bitcoin and the mining plan. Let's copy the Bitcoin address from blockchain wallet. We need to select the mining servers options for configurations. Now let's the servers working on pools to configure the mining servers. Once the server connected, we are ready to go on the mining projects. As you can see, the servers are connected successfully. Now let's start mining Bitcoin operations, solving complex mathematical puzzles. As you can see, we cut the video it taking a while to finish mining. You see, the mining completed successfully. Let's withdraw now. As you can see, we received 0.0036 Bitcoin from SoftTools software. Now, it's your turn to start mining and potentially earn Bitcoins.